Hi everyone, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to do a coffee face pack for beautiful and glowing skin. From my opinion, for whatever I've seen till now, if coffee works for you, it works wonders, but if it doesn't work for you, then it may cause allergies and irritation. So before you apply the face pack all over your face, just do a patch test over here and see if it works for you. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.
So to make this coffee face pack, you will need multani mitti powder, 2 packets of coffee powder, some lime juice and some raw milk. First you need to take a clean bowl. First you need to add 2 packets of coffee powder, which is equal to 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. And for this you need to add 1 teaspoon of multani mitti powder and mix it really well. And for this you need to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Then mix it, and then add 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Then you need to mix it really well to form a thick paste. Now you need to apply this face pack all over your face, including your neck. Before applying this face pack, please do a patch test to see if coffee works for you, because if it doesn't work for you, then it may cause irritation to your skin. But if it works for you, it works like magic. Once your face pack is completely dry, you need to wash it off with normal water. This is how your face will look just after one use of this face pack.
So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Until then, bye.